Hi guys, I'm replacing my clutch, 2005 Hyundai Accent. Okay, so this is what I did. My helper here. Okay, I took these off. Just take two bolts off here. I took the CV, I took the CV, axle rod off. Unbolted the transmission. Here it is. I got it on the jack here. Got it pulled up a little bit. Okay, so that's the only way I could do it. See, I kind of fit it in between here, between here, and rolled it out. Once I unbolted all the bolts, took off both the, let me see, where are we? Took off both the CV axles. Okay. What happened? Really, what happened? The clutch wasn't really completely gone. This bearing. You see, this is a new one. You see how it this outside spins? Well, this will go up under that holder there. And this will stay. This part will stay still. And this part, when it's engaged, when the hydraulics pushes on the clutch, this will spin. Okay, so I'll show you my old bearing. This is the new one. Now this is the old bearing right here. See, this is my old bearing. You see that? It melted up and it just went bad. These bearings go bad, and it's a shame. But this little bearing in here will go bad, and even if your clutch is still got 50,000 miles left on it, this bearing will mess it up. If this bearing ain't working, you know, your your clutch ain't working. Okay, so back to the replacing that clutch. Here I got the engine mounted up. This is how I did it. I mean, everyone's got their different ways. Of course, I got it supported on the bottom there too. Okay, but I put this around here, and I put this chain on here. Because I had to take the engine mounts off. I had to take these engine supports off. One there, and there's one down here I had to take off, and there's another one in the back. I took it completely off. I don't think I had to, but I did. Okay, so then there's a bunch of bolts holding this on. You see them here, and then there. Of course, I already took it off. Okay, around there, I took the starter off. I believe I had to take the starter off. Okay, and there was a tricky thing here, right here. There was a little bolt in there, this metal gasket. Can you see it? It's a metal gasket here. Well, I had all my bolts out, and this little bolt here, I forgot to take it out. I couldn't get it off, and I sort of bent this thing up. You see this metal gasket? Well, I have to fix it because it goes in this like sleeve here, and right now it's a little bit off because I did a little bit prying on it. Okay. All right, so then I got my engine supported. Got a jack under the bottom with an oil pan with a 2x4 also. But it's actually this support right here, very helpful. Now, this bracket over here, I left on. All right, so I put the clutch back on, and I'm tightening it up now. See, I had this screwdriver. It's a it's a bent, it's a pry bar. This is what I use to take the CV axles off with too. It works really good. Okay, so what I was doing with this thing is I was putting it in the bolts on the outside there. So I then I can tighten up on the clutch assembly. I put the new clutch on. You see it? Put the new clutch on. This is pretty much how it looks. The transmission's pulled out. You see it pulled out. You see the clutch down in there. Okay, and then I'm putting the bolts on there. And of course, the bearing, where is it? I don't want to. Here it is, right here. Of course, this bearing, this one will go in here. Okay, and this will slide up under that under the brakes. See, I didn't even. The way this is, I'm not even going to take this old one off. It's still, it's still supporting on there. You see it? Kind of hard to see. Anyway, Get some more light over here. You see it right here? You see that? These wires out of the way. That's where it was, okay? So that one's on there. Hopefully I'll be able to take my bearing, slide it in there, and it'll be good to go. You know, I don't have a nice engine. You know, it's kind of hard to work with here, but this is what happened. I was able to get it out just enough to get in there and work on that clutch. Okay, I'm tightening up the bolts on the clutch right now. Of course, you can see there's the flywheel. There's the flywheel. I don't know if you can see it. I'm tightening up on the nuts of that clutch. And so I just have to put this bad boy back together. Once I cut the clutch on, put that bearing on, and just put it back together. Just want to give someone a heads up. You know, 2005 Hyundai Accent, replacing that clutch, what you're getting into. Okay, good luck. You know, hope this helps someone. Okay.